Wanders, it's Aaliyah, or Aaliyah_love on Instagram. I am going to be teaching you guys today how to wrap your Levy wands, or how I wrap mine. And this goes for the Atomic Evoke Astro wand as well. This is the Pixel wand by Mood Hoops, which I just received. It came with a palm grip, but I took it off and put on the long string. It also came with the remote, and I took these contact end caps from my broken Future wand so I can put them on this wand when I'm done wrapping it. This is the clear silicone grip tape, and you can also find it on Mood Hoops as well. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is unwrap some. Now you don't want to cut it into a certain length because it can vary depending on, how tight you wrap it, etc., etc. So what I like to do is start, I'll move up a little closer so you guys can see. I like to start at the top at an angle. Now the grip tape itself is going to stick to itself, so it's good to have your tape overlap. That way it doesn't come undone. I also like to pull it kind of tight and just continue to wrap down till you get to the very end. I do this with all of my wands so far. I did it with my Amazing Lights wand, my Mood Hoops Future wand, and my Atomic Evoke Astro wand, which that one's a little bit more tricky because it has the joystick on it for the modes and everything, which for that, I just laid some grip tape over it, and then I cut the little hole where you plug it in and where the joystick is. So I'm gonna continue wrapping, and then I'll come back towards the bottom so I can show you how I wrap it down there and how I cut it. Alright, so when you get to about here, you want to wrap your grip tape regular, like just straight around, at least once. And then I like to cut my grip tape diagonally to match the pattern of the wrapping. So it's about here. We'll cut it diagonally to match the wrapping. All right, there we go. So then it looks kind of like that. And then you lay it flat. So then the wrapping right there is diagonal, so it matches the rest of the wrapping. So that's the top here. Cut that off. And then you do the same for the bottom. And then for the end caps, I like to just slide these puppies right on there. Just like that. And if you have any extra that's sticking out or folding, you can just push it up in there with your finger, or you can take the end cap off and adjust. Now the cool things about these end caps, I'm sorry it's dirty, but it's old, I've had it for quite some time, is it comes with these little washers. So when your wand is all wrapped and put together, you can test it on the balance And if it doesn't seem balanced, you can take the washers out or put some more in. So I'm going to wrap the bottom and put the end cap on, and we'll see if it's balanced. So now we have a fully wrapped, nice and neat, beautiful wand. So now it's time to test the balance, because adding grip tape, it will sometimes unbalance it. So I guess now would be a good time to show you how I put my string on my hand, how I anchor it. Is I make a loop with it like this, put it on my wrist, line it up, and then I wrap it around till about here, maybe a little shorter sometimes. As I get flowing, I flow with a shorter string for better control. So a good way to test the balance is to rock it back and forth, and as you can see, it is a little unbalanced here, which means the top is heavier than the bottom. So I'm going to take one of the washers out. This had 2 washers on. I think I accidentally switched them around. So I'm going to put this one on the bottom and see how it works. That's a little better. Wonderful. So this is how I wrap my Levitation wands, and I will link the grip tape and the end caps down below as well, so you guys can purchase those right from there if you would like. And if you guys have any more questions, feel free to message me. Bye guys.